is the lungs. The right lung is divided into three lobes: the right superior, the right middle, and the right inferior lobe. The left lung, which is smaller to accommodate the heart, has only two lobes: the left superior and the left inferior lobe. Both the lungs are associated externally with small tubular bronchi which unite and extend into the trachea. The trachea has incomplete C-shaped rings of cartilage which prevent the tracheal walls from collapsing. The trachea leads into the pharynx, which is connected to the nostrils. As we breathe in air, the oxygen molecules enter the nostrils and travel downwards through the pharynx and trachea to finally reach the bronchi. From each bronchus, oxygen travels into the lungs. Within the lungs, the bronchus divides repeatedly to form bronchioles. Oxygen travels through these bronchioles and reaches the alveoli, each of which is surrounded by a network of capillaries. As the blood passes through the alveolar capillaries, oxygen present in the lungs diffuse into the blood. Most of this oxygen then adsorbs on the red blood cells or erythrocytes present in the blood. These erythrocytes contain hemoglobin, which is a complex protein compound containing iron. They have an affinity for oxygen. So, oxygen is attracted to the hemoglobin and unites with it to form a bright red-colored compound called oxyhemoglobin. The oxyhemoglobin, which is an unstable compound, is carried by the blood to different tissues of the body. The low oxygen concentration in these tissues leads to dissociation of oxyhemoglobin into oxygen and hemoglobin. This oxygen then diffuses into the cells and deoxygenated blood then returns back to the lungs. So the process of breathing in air rich in oxygen is called inhalation. After the contraction of the muscular diaphragm, the lungs expand and the air rushes in, resulting in the inflation of the alveoli. During exhalation, the diaphragm moves up and the lungs contract. Thus, the alveoli deflate, causing the